Hey YouTube, how's it going? It's Quinton here, and welcome to tutorial number 10. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about the new video tag in HTML5. Again, this tag is new to HTML5, so there could be some issues regarding browser support. Okay, so some users that are using old browsers might not have support for this video tag. So just keep that in mind when using this video tag. Okay, so to add a video tag onto the web page, we're obviously just going to put in our two little symbols for our tag, and we're going to type in video. Okay, and this is a double tag, so we're actually going to close it off as well. And in between here, I'm going to put in another tag, which is the source tag. Okay, and as you can see, this is very much the same as in the previous tutorial when we added some audio to our web page. Okay, so the one thing we have to do now is, just in case the user is using an old browser that does not support this video tag, we are going to have to leave them a message. So if we type a message in over here, if the video tag works, the user won't see this message. But if the video tag doesn't work, in other words, they have an old browser, then the user is going to see this message. So let's just say, if you can see this, you need to update your browser. Okay, so now we've got all the tags and this message out the way. There are still a few attributes that we have to work with. Okay, so the first one is the source attribute, and we actually have to tell HTML what video we plan on using in this video tag. Okay, so I've actually got this video here. It's an MP4, and I suggest you use MP4s because they are probably the most widely supported video type. So we're going to just use this lol gameplay video. So let's go back here and type that in, lol underscore gameplay dot mp4. Now I should probably close that off as well. There's another attribute which we can use here called type, and basically what type has to be set equal to is just what type of video are we using. Okay, we just need to tell the browser what video it should be expecting, and it's obviously going to be a video slash mp4. Okay, because the video is an mp4, so we're just going to say, hey Firefox, listen up, expect an mp4. Okay, now there are still a few other attributes that we need to work with. Okay, so we're going to put those up here in the video tag, and the first one is going to be the width of what we want the video to display as. Okay, so YouTube actually uses 640 as the width, so I'll use 640 on my video as well. And for height, we can set that equal to 360. So this is just going to make sure that the video is 640 pixels wide and 360 pixels high. Okay, and that's pretty much the same size as the normal video on YouTube. Okay, and then we've got one other attribute which we need to work with at the moment, and that is the controls attribute. Without this, we wouldn't be able to play our video at all. Okay, so let's go ahead and save this now. Okay, and run this in Firefox. And as you can see, we've got this video over here, and there's a little play button and whatever, so we've got some controls here. Okay, if we didn't include this controls attribute, so let me go ahead and take this out. Go back here again, click refresh. Now you can see we don't have any controls, so we have no way of starting this video. So we actually need that controls attribute, okay? Unless we want to make our own controls, but then we need to know a little bit of JavaScript first. Okay, so let's go ahead and click refresh, and as you can see, we've got the controls back. So when I click play, the video will start playing.
Haha, I know you're there. What?
Okay, so that's just me talking while I was playing League of Legends. Now there are two other attributes that we can use. Okay, so let me go back here and just add those in as well. And the first one is going to be autoplay, and the next one will be loop. Okay, so what autoplay does is it just means that as soon as the user loads the web page, the video must start playing. Okay, and loop loops the video, so as soon as the video gets to the end, it's going to start at the beginning again and carry on going. Okay, so loop might be kind of annoying for some people, because once they finish watching the video, they're probably not going to want to watch it again. But autoplay on YouTube, if you go to if you click on a video, usually the video always plays automatically. So they would then be using an autoplay attribute on their videos. Okay, so let's go back to Firefox now, and when I click refresh, because we've got the autoplay attribute, this video will start playing as soon as the video, or as soon as the page has loaded. So let me click refresh, and as you can see, as you can see, the video actually played. Okay, now if I fast forward this right to the end, and then I let it play again, then it should start again from the beginning, because we have the loop attribute as well. Okay, so as you can see, it went from the end right back to the beginning. So that's what loop does. Okay, so you don't actually have to use all of these attributes. Controls, I would recommend you use that for now until maybe we learn some JavaScript. But for now, just always use controls. Autoplay and loop, you don't have to use both of them. You can just use one or the other. But I just show them to you both to save time. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, guys. That's all I have for you in this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Please feel free to leave a comment, like or share the video. It's really going to help my channel grow, and I'll see you guys next time.